Hey everybody, my name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and today we're working on the 1965 Impala. This car is 100% original, has beautiful patina paint. However, it's got a little bit of surface rust on the trunk and the hood. So I'm going to show you a trick that I use today, how to take the surface rust off of the paint without damaging the paint. So I don't know how many people actually use this. It's a little trick that I've kind of been told by a couple people. I use it, it works great, so if you guys can use it as well, you know, more power to you. So I'll show you guys now how to do it. Okay, so the trick here is obviously gloves, because I know in the last video I did of cleaning the car out with no gloves, everyone wanted to tell me I needed them, so I made sure I got them this time. But basic CLR, you can get it at any store really. Pretty much 1 part CLR to 3 to 4 parts water. Mix it up, you know, I got it here in an aluminum pan. And then get a Scotch-Brite. You can use 000 steel wool. This is just easier to come by. You can get these at Dollar General, I mean, for a couple bucks. So easier to do there. You dip it, and then you scrub the paint, not too hard, but you scrub the paint enough with the solution and the Scotch-Brite to actually take the rust off the paint. I do it in kind of a swirling motion. I don't know why, I guess it doesn't really matter how you do it, but I swirl just so I cover multiple areas multiple times. See, the paint is just beautiful under all that surface rust. So yeah, just do the whole trunk like that, or the whole panel, and you'll have a really pretty looking original paint. So as you guys can see, there is the before, the before and the after. I don't know about you guys, but that is one hell of a difference. So use this, you know, obviously at your own risk. If you don't want to do it, fine, no problem, but it definitely gets rid of all this surface rust and brings back the original paint. So if you guys enjoyed the video today, leave a like rating, comment on if you guys have ever actually used this or any other alternatives you have to remove surface rust, and make sure to subscribe for more car videos like this on a weekly basis. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. and I will catch you next time.